check this out. Guys, welcome back to Mr. Sneaker Insider, here with another sneaker review. Today we're going to be taking a look at the Ralph Lauren Polo Train 85 sneaker. This was released in December of 2020 and recently got discontinued, so I'm assuming it was available up until maybe about May or June of 2021. So these Ralph Lauren Polo Train 85 sneakers are gonna retail for $100. They are discontinued. Right as we take a look at the box, right on the front it says Polo Ralph Lauren. If you're wondering what 12D means, that is gonna be a standard fit. It's not gonna be wide. It's gonna be the standard fit for a 12-inch shoe. It says right there Train 85, and it says the colorway, it is a suede leather and nylon sneaker. As we open it up, we got this very nice Ralph Lauren logo on the wrapping of the pony. If you're looking for a nice, clean, fresh shoe, you just want to refresh yourself with a nice casual look, whether it's on a Sunday stroll, or it's a casual outing with friends and family, or if it's to go on a date, I'd recommend this sneaker. It's a great trainer, fabulous. Can't go wrong with a trainer. The fit is amazing, it's true to size, and it's a great price, $100. It's not gonna break the bank, it's not too low of a price, and it's not too high, it's just right. So there are different colorways. I feel that this colorway has a nice eye-catching effect to it. Great job, Ralph Lauren. If you guys liked the video, please give it a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button as well, and also ring the notification bell so then you'll be notified when the next sneaker video will be uploaded to Mr. Sneaker Insider. I'll catch you on the next video. Until then, lace them up, keep them fresh. See you soon.